Hi guys, if you're wondering what American experience of prom is, what the hell is prom? I had no idea. But after putting two kids through high school, I know what it is. So I want to take you on this prom experience that my son had. Yeah, see what it's like, and let's go. So guys, the first thing is the outfit, because that's what stresses me out the most. This is not my son's outfit. It's my daughter's from 4 years ago. She wore this dress just for prom. Lovely dress, very elegant, classy, all of that. And I paid something over $300 for it, but never wore it again. Just been in the closet collecting dust. So this time I decided for my son I'm going to rent a suit. Not that it ended up being much cheaper than buying a suit, but anyway, I went with the whole shebang, the whole tuxedo, just renting it out this time. So he's getting measured here. This store also has a rental tuxedos and gowns for brides and grooms, I suppose. So they had regular school today and he just got back. In fact, and then he went to the gym, got all buff and stuff. And I think he used the sauna too. And now he's taking a shower here. So my son went and picked up the outfit and they had it all ready. They even had him try it out. So that was good. I didn't go. I should have gone. But anyhow, it's here and it's hanging. There it is. I haven't even seen it. Let's try to open it because he's going to wear it anyway. Let's see how it... Ooh, there's a nice shirt and all nicely done. And where is... Hope everything is in there. Anyway, we'll see. I think I'll make him like a drink, a smoothie or something. Actually, maybe not. I should go get ready. Because they will have some snacks and things like that because we're going to the pre-prom party. Thrown by one of the students' parents in their house, and some of these kids will come, and two of my son's friends are coming over to get ready also, and then we'll all go together. So I'm ready, just some peachy pinky stuff. I've been wearing this outfit everywhere I go these days. If it ain't broke, why fix it? So this is my go-to. Oh, and check all this out. You have to have a little bling. Just do a little something different from the ordinary. So that's my plan here. Maybe it looks a little too stern, but that's okay. It's coming together. It's coming together. Do we put the bow first?
Oh shit, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And take it off. Who knows how these things are done?
I don't.
This is why I should have gone, because we had no idea how to put on the bow tie. We didn't even watch a video.
I have no idea how this works.
The bow tie needs to be fixed. We don't know how to do that. Dad here is looking up on YouTube how to fix a bow tie. I did that. Is that how you do it? Who knows? I just tied it and I tucked it in there.
Looks like an apron now.
Apron, yeah.
Yeah.
Neil, are you ready to make an egg omelette for us? Ready for the bhujia? Scramble eggs, please.
They're gonna ask me to go back to the kitchen.
My husband had the thorough approach of an engineer, but I'm sorry to say it was of no help that day. So we gave up, as successful people do. And here you can see my son's friends are also ready and are ready to go. So I'm one of those annoying moms who has to take a lot of pictures, but they will appreciate it one day. So yeah, just back there. Back where you guys were standing earlier. All three of you. So a quick couple pictures and then we were off to the pre-prom party because we were running late.
The host did a really nice job with the balloon arch. Ooh. The house is by all these nice redwood trees, so gorgeous. What a lovely entrance, right in the middle of nature. And there are all these cupcakes saying Prom 2022, nicely arranged. And then there was a little party sort of thing going on in the backyard. And there were family members and students. Unfortunately, I have to be very careful here and not show their faces. And so it was really nice, and the girls wore such lovely dresses. I was admiring their dresses, and the boys looked really handsome too. And then a dad climbed up on the top of a roof to take a picture of the entire class, the entire graduating class of high school 2022. And here we are, parents standing in a line to take even more pictures of the class.
It's in there.
So after this little get together and after all those pictures, these kids would leave us to go on a bus to get to San Francisco where their prom is. So they were going on a cruise. So they were on the water. That's where their prom was, on the water, and they could see views of San Francisco and Oakland. And yeah, it sounded like, wow, such a great time.
So we're back, walking back to our car, and the kids have left. It's 6:30. It's still bright, warm and sunny. Can't even keep my eyes open. So I think they'll have a good time on the boat. I asked my son to take lots of pictures and videos, so hopefully he'll remember amidst all that fun. And then if he does, then I'll share it with you. Let's hope, fingers crossed.
That was their prom. We had a couple boys sleep over, and next morning I gave them some tea and some fruits, and then they went and ate some brunch elsewhere. So guys, if you enjoyed watching that video and you got a little insight into what the American experience is for young teenagers, high schoolers, do give this video a like, and I hope you enjoyed that. I did. The pre-prom party was nice. Now I'm just going to wait and worry. Anyway, cut that out. Yeah, so if you like the video, do give this video a like, and do subscribe if you haven't, and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.